Meaning of Great Expectations.
Great expectations.
Great expectations.
Great expectations.
Great expectations. Great Expectations is a novel written by Charles Dickens, first published in serial form between 1860 and 1861. The story follows the life of a young orphan named Pip, who dreams of becoming a gentleman. He comes into an unexpected fortune and moves to London to pursue his dream. However, his expectations are shattered as he learns the true nature of his fortune and the people around him. The novel explores themes of ambition, class, love, and redemption, and is considered one of Dickens' finest works. In summary, Great Expectations is a poignant tale of the pitfalls of ambition and the power of forgiveness.